Hello friends, good morning and welcome to the 𝗕𝗏𝘁 Academy, and this is Anjali Singh and I am the member of 𝗕𝗏𝘁 Academy. Do you know friends, it is 6 a.m. early in the morning and it is dark outside, and I have reached Academy just a moment ago, and today I will start my day to attend my first class. Let's see what happens in the class. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
This is Anjali Singh, and first of all thank you sir for giving me this precious opportunity. Today I am going to introduce myself. So first of all I would like to tell you that this is Anjali Singh and I have completed my graduation, and nowadays I am continuing my 75 hard days English challenge. And really friends, I think you watched in our YouTube channel, the 𝗕𝗏𝘁 Academy YouTube channel, and it is really good for our speaking skills. If you really want to improve yourself, you can start your 75 hard days English challenge. And why am I saying this? Because when did I start my 75 hard days English challenge? Before that I didn't have any confidence to speak English in front of someone very fluently, and after that I passed my 12th day of 75 hard days English challenge. It was really good, my experience was really good, and I am continuing till now. And really friends, it is very fantastic, and I would like to tell you my achievements. Right now I am doing my study, but I achieved a lot of things in my life. I achieved first of all confidence, and I achieved politeness because I used to be an anger person. And before joining this academy, when I came this academy, and I learned too much. I learned lots of things in this academy. So, and the second one thing is how to be a good person, how to be an honest person. I'm not saying that I'm a fully honest person, but I learned very much how to become an honest person with everyone.
Now I am from last 9 years. I am living in Srinagar. I have completed my 10th high schooling from Mastermind Public School. There I got 82% and got first position, and after that I completed my intermediate from Devbhoomi Public School and I got 90% and topped in a school. After that I am pursuing my bachelor's degree from 𝗕𝗵𝗄 𝗏𝗏𝗃 University. And these days I am working on my English. I really felt that I am weak in English, somewhere in grammar I am stopping, and there was lots of hesitation. I really hesitate to speak in English. So I am working on my English, and I think I will definitely be fluent in English. And that's all about me.
So this is Pratibha, and I completed my graduation from the 𝗕𝗵𝗄, and nowadays I am improving my English. I work on about my English, my personality also. And firstly, I would like to share my past things. When I joined this academy, I little bit understand what is this. So I improve my personality, my confidence, and I talk to easily to someone.
Your life going on?
It's good, and how's your life going on?
Yes, it's going good. First of all, thank you so much sir for giving me this precious opportunity. This is Amita, and after completing my schooling, I decided to go for my higher studies, and for that I took admission in 𝗕𝗵𝗄. My hobbies are I love wall painting, I love to read books and photography.
Institution of even the terminology of parliamentary democracy can save us. The recourse of this formal language of democracy serves increasingly to provide a constitutional winner to what is in effect an unconstitutional concentration of power. The Chief Justice of India can give almost a daily lecture on constitutional morality, even as the Supreme Court loses any will to stand up for it. The ruling dispensation can, without a trace of irony, speak of parliamentary decorum. Even as Parliament is effectively dead as an institution, the media speaks of this as the contest between the government and the opposition. Even as the government puts chain on the wrist of opposition member and silence them, the site of public opinion formation, the media with a few honorable expectations recklessly worship power, or even worse creates appropriate. Friends, after reading newspaper, I have found some word, and as you know friends, I share with you some word every day, and today I have some word which I want to share with you, and that is an idiom. And the idiom is sell like hotcakes. What is the meaning of sell like hotcakes? In Hindi, किसी भी चीज का अधिक मात्रा में और बहुत जल्दी बिक जाना. For example, liquor sells like hot cakes because people are fond of taking liquor. And the next example is Crackers sells like hotcakes on Diwali. For getting more words, stay connected with us. Friends, after reading newspaper, now I'm gonna start my second step for speaking English, and now I'm going to start listening. And after listening, I will give you some new words. Stay connected with us. Utilize how excited I must have been, how happy I must have been. I was on a winning streak. I was, first campus princess winner, then Miss India winner. Friends, after completing my listening, I have found some words and I made example on them. I want to share with you the meaning of that words. The first one word is flatter. What is the meaning of flatter? In Hindi, चापलूसी करना. For example, after getting job, lots of people flatter to their boss for getting promotion. Do you know, friends, what is called in English चापलूसी? You can say in English flattery. And what is called in English चापलूस? You can say in flatterer. Friends, today I have completed my all tasks to read Bhagavad Gita, and today what did I learn in Bhagavad Gita that I want to share with you, and that is change is a universal law. That is why every happiness or sorrow is temporary. So friends, do your work and believe in yourself and believe in your karmas. Jai Shri Krishna friend, today I have completed my 14th day of 75 hard days English challenge. And really friends, I don't know when the day passed and my experience was really good and I am improving my English. And friends, if you really want to improve your English, you can start your 75 hard days English challenge and we will meet in next session.